Hey, what's up, guys? It's Derry here. So lately, I've been hearing rumors that Ghanaians can use PayPal. Yeah, most African countries can use PayPal. Yeah, and it's true. It's actually true. Ghanaians can use PayPal, but there are a few ways that can help you. Get a PayPal account. So PayPal hasn't publicly announced or detailed why it does not support certain countries, and I think it's because of security. They don't want to get themselves involved in any business tax and all that. That will be mainly the reason why they don't support certain countries. I wanted to reach out to you guys because I think there are so many people facing challenges and having problems in opening a PayPal account. It's very easy, it's very simple. So if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell icon to support me. So yeah, I'm going to start the iPhone guide, how to download, install, and open a PayPal account on your iPhone. So stay tuned. If you're an Android user and you think the iPhone guide wouldn't be useful to you, please keep to the number on your screen and let's get it. Hey guys, welcome back. And the first thing to do is to check your store location if you're actually using a Ghanaian store or you're using a United States store. So yes, that's what we're going to do. We're going to check the location and see if mine is in Ghana or mine is in United States. What you need to do is to type in the app. So let's search for PayPal and let's see if it's pop up. No, so there's no PayPal here, meaning I'm using the Ghanaian store. So what I need to do is to change the Ghanaian store to the United States store so that I can have access to a PayPal app. Click on the icon at the right top corner. Click on that and click on your Apple ID. That's the Kinderi. What you need to do is to enter your password. So my password is subscribe to my channel. So guys, yeah, subscribe to my channel. That's my password. So yeah, subscribe to my channel. Let's change the country. Country origin. Click on country origin and let's change country. To change the country or origin associated with this account, tap change country or origin below. Select the desired country or origin, then accept the new terms and conditions. Please note that you need a valid method of payment in the new country origin. Yes, so we're going to do that right away. So change country and scroll down to the United States of America. Yes, United States. So tap on the United States, just agree and tap on the agree. Yeah, so after agreeing, I think we need to fill some forms. Yeah, ignore the top listing, credit card or debit card. But if you want to add a debit card, you can just add your debit card or your PayPal or something if you have. But if you don't, or if you want to ignore, just tap on the none and make sure yes it's ticked. And what you need to do is to fill in the required spaces. So the street says required, so we're going to put in you can use mine as well. So Providence, if you have your street, you can also use yours. So use mine if you don't have. So I'm going to use Providence as the street, and I'm going to use the Providence as the city. So the states, I'm going to use Rhode Island. Yeah, and the zip code, what's the zip code? Okay, the zip code is 02802. Yeah, that's my zip code. So you can also use mine if you don't mind. And the phone number, I have a special US number, so you can also use it as well. I don't mind. Make sure you clear the 4 and make sure the 401 is here. So you can use my number if you don't have a US number. If you have a US number, you can also use it. It doesn't matter. After that, you click on next and you wait till something pops up. My country is changed. My app store is now located in the US. Click on done. The interface and everything is going to change, and Now let's search for the PayPal and see if it'll pop up. So PayPal, and yes, we now have the PayPal app. We now have the PayPal. We even have the PayPal business invoice mail, Venmo, Cash App, Zelle Pay, and all that. So yeah, guys, that is it. To get a PayPal app, you need to change your location. If you are using a Ghanaian app store location, then you need to change it to the United States so that you can have access to the PayPal. But if you're already using the United States, then there's no need to change your location. Yeah, just search for PayPal and just download it. So you tap on get and you wait till it downloads. Finally, I have the app on my phone. So you tap on it and we need to sign up. Yes, you tap on sign up. And because our location is in Ghana, we need to change our location to sign up. All you need to do is to tap on the paypal.com, clear the US, and let's put Lesotho. Lesotho is LS. Next thing to do is to sign up for free. So you tap on sign up for free. See for yourself why millions of people have PayPal. Okay, blah blah. You need to select an account. If you want a personal account, you can select. If you want a business account, you can also select that. There are two forms of accounts. And with a personal account, you shop in your country and around the world from your computer or your mobile, all without sharing your financial information with sellers. And a business account too, you accept payments, send invoices to customers. It's easy and more secure to sell to anyone, anywhere, and anytime. I'll preferably go for the business accounts because business accounts allows you engage in more transactions and other stuff. You can also go for a personal account if you want, but I'm going to choose a business account for now. So yes, guys, let's select business and continue. You enter your email address. I'm going to use my iCloud for my PayPal here, guys. So my email address is kimberry1 at icloud.com. Yes, so you can also use your email address, enter your password to sign up. Yes, so make sure you have a secured password, at least one uppercase and a lowercase, and also you need to add symbols. Yes, make your password very strong so that no one can hack your account. Yes, so you click on continue. We will confirm your information to keep your account secured. Yes, so you enter your email address, and mine is kimberry1 at icloud.com. I think my legal name, I'll use Michael. And I'm gonna use my last legal name as Derry and a business name Michael Derry. Yeah. This part, what you need to do is to change your number. You change your number from Lesotho to Ghana. Yes, so this part, we have the Ghanaian number here. Enter a business number. Yeah, so mine is 245549459. So you need to provide in address line, blah blah, Accra. I'm just gonna use anything. City, Tama, and postal code, I think 233. And the states, I'm gonna use Accra. Yeah. So Greater Accra. Greater Accra. The currency should be in dollars, and you accept by clicking agree. Your business type, I'm the only one, so I think sole and proprietorship. And what do you do? What do you actually do? So if you are a trader, you can just type trading or something, or if you're a computer programmer, you just type computer software. The list will pop up and you just choose what you want. I think mine is computer programming. Yeah, so that's it, computer programming. So you just choose your product or keyword, yeah, and you can ignore this, it doesn't really matter, and click on continue. This part, you just give a little statement about yourself, your date of birth. Mine is 28 September, and 90. The nationality, you can change it to Ghana now. Yes, so you can change it to Ghana now. A Ghanaian PayPal account. Also make sure you provide your identity documents. So I'm going to use my passport. Yeah, so your passport number, mine is 5567. I'm just using anything. Yeah, because I'm not going to use this account for anything. This part, you can just tap on this to use your business address. Yeah, and you submit. This is how to create a PayPal account in Ghana. This is the simplest way to create a PayPal account. What you need to do next is just go back to your PayPal and just log in with the information you created. Mine was Kim Derry 1 at iCloud.com. So my password is actually I need to make the security checks. Yeah, parking meters. Okay. So I need to verify an ID. Not now. I don't want to use it now. So I'll just take not now. And yes, allow PayPal to send you information and all that. Yeah, allow. And yes, guys, that is it. This is how to get a PayPal account in Ghana. It's very simple, very easy. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I'll be making a new video on how to add your bank and ATM cards to your PayPal account. If you missed out on anything, please restart the whole procedure so you don't get yourself in a mess. We are done with the iPhone procedure on how to download, install, and open a PayPal account. So yes, we're going to start with the Android procedure. Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to download, install, and open a PayPal account on your Android phone. So let's get started. So what you need to do is to open your browser. So I have Chrome. So you open your browser and you visit this site. I'll drop the link in the description. Copy and paste this link. It's a PayPal APK link to download the PayPal app. Go down and you download this APK. It's just 70 megabytes. And you go to your files. And you install the APK. The reason why I'm doing this is because PayPal can't be found on the Ghanaian Google Play Store. It supports only some countries. Yes. So what you need to do is to install the app by using the APK file. Yes. So we install the app. Yes, so guys, that is it. That is how to download, install, and open a PayPal account on your iPhone or your Android phone. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Drop your comments and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Stay safe. Peace.